My dear students and aspirants, in last 35 videos, we discussed many chapters of grammar and also about vocabulary test to improve your word power. Under that, the focus was largely on synonyms, antonyms, paronyms, homophones, homonyms. In grammar also we did some chapters like parts of a speech, sentence, kinds of sentence, uses of sentence, and then again we also discussed articles, adjectives. Today in this class again we are going back to grammar on request of students. What is preposition? Pre means before and position means place, position. So, preposition is a particle that shows position of some noun or pronoun. There are many prepositions, and preposition is one of the most important chapters in English grammar because in all competitive examinations for various recruitment as well as for college and university examinations, this is almost indispensable part of general English or compulsory English or objective English paper. So there are many prepositions. Out of that, we are starting with these 10 prepositions. So first is about in alphabetical order. So about, this can be used in different ways. We know about it means we know about it. We have knowledge about something, that is we know about it. That then he told me about you. About can be used to show a position of noun or pronoun. So this above, now she is above you in merit means upa, above you in merit. Across, he went across the river means वो नदी का उस पार गया. And then again you see this against, they are always against you. And against can also be used in other sense like uh, against every period he is paid rupees 1500. Say like he is paid rupees 1500 against every period. So this is also another use of against as preposition. Likewise against. So this against, they are always against you means not favoring you, opposing you. Here this means, and that means he is paid rupees 1500 against every period means instead of every period, for taking every period he is paid 1500. Next, after, they will meet me after Diwali means not before, that's opposite to before, after Diwali ke baad. Likewise he is after you. Here again this is preposition after, but the meaning is different. Here he is after you means he is after you in merit, or maybe that he is trying to harm you, he is chasing you, like that. So here then along means साथ, we walk along the road, हम लोग रोड पे वॉक करते हैं, रोड से वॉक करते हैं. Then around, there is a forest, there is a forest around a village. So this is forest, forest, forest. There is a forest around the village. गांव के चारों तरफ forest है, जंगल है. At, I live at Itanagar. At can be used for place also, small place. But if it is I live blank Arunachal Pradesh, then what will come? Not at Arunachal Pradesh, in Arunachal Pradesh, for bigger place. I live at Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. I live in India. He came at 7 o'clock. So here at is used before time also. So it can show time also. Look at the bold, then place. Bold. Look at the bold. Bold पे देखो. Next, she came before Monday. Means Monday के पहले वो आया. Then the culprit, stood before the judge. Here before means in front of, samne. And here before means pehle. Then next behind. The cat is hiding behind the almirah. Here behind means piche. So this now to be continued in the next video. It will take 3 more classes to complete preposition, as it is a very big chapter. Thank you for watching. So we will come to the next video, come with the next video with more prepositions.